Let's face it, aging is a privilege, but that doesn't mean we have to take it lying down. Or worse, shuffling to the fridge at 2 a.m. because we forgot why we got up in the first place. If you're over 60 and still have dreams of outrunning your grandkids, or at least keeping up with them at the mall, it's time to rethink what's in your glass. Here are 10 game-changing drinks to keep you feeling spry, or at the very least hydrated enough to keep complaining about the price of gas. 1. Green tea, the elixir of youth and mild smugness. Packed with antioxidants, green tea fights inflammation, supports brain function, and makes you feel like a Zen master. Bonus, sipping it slowly while staring thoughtfully into the distance makes people think you're wise. Beet juice, the circulation supercharger. Beets are loaded with nitrates that boost blood flow, which is great for your heart, and let's be honest, also for keeping your dance moves smooth at family weddings. Be warned, it turns everything red. Everything. Turmeric latte, the joint lubricator. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory that helps with joint pain and memory. Perfect for those of us who remember when gas was 50 cents but can't recall why we walked into the kitchen. Aloe vera juice, the internal moisturizer. Think of this as lotion for your insides. It's great for digestion and skin hydration, though let's be real. If you tell people you drink aloe vera, they'll assume you live in a yurt and own a crystal collection. 5. Red wine. The doctor said 1 glass miracle. Moderation is key, but red wine's resveratrol content is famous for heart health and longevity. Plus, a little sip in the evening makes those Golden Bachelor reruns a lot more entertaining. 6. Coffee, the legal stimulant. Coffee isn't just for staying awake during your nephew's long-winded stories. It's also full of polyphenols that support brain health. And let's be honest, the alternative is accidentally napping through your own birthday party. 7. Bone broth, the fountain of collagen. Packed with collagen and minerals, bone broth is great for joint health and skin elasticity. Just be prepared for your grandkids to ask if you're drinking soup water. Kefir, the gut guardian, a probiotic powerhouse. Kefir supports digestion and immunity. Yes, it tastes a bit like someone left the milk out too long, but so did a lot of the stuff we ate in the 70s. 9. Pomegranate juice, the artery unclogger. Loaded with antioxidants, pomegranate juice helps keep your arteries clear. If only it could do the same for your junk drawer. 10. Water, the ultimate classic. Still undefeated in the hydration game, water keeps everything running smoothly. Plus, it's the only drink that won't make you fat. Is it bad to drink too much of this? Actually, the maximum amount would be to drink half your weight in ounces. So there you have it, 10 drinks that will help you stay sharp, mobile, and mildly intimidating to younger generations. Cheers to aging with style and strong bones. Subscribe for more videos like this one.